Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bitbucket repositories to SourceTree on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open SourceTree on your Windows machine. If you haven't installed SourceTree yet, download it from the official website and follow the installation prompts. Once SourceTree is open, navigate to the top left corner and click on Clone New Repository. In the next window, you will see several options for cloning. To connect your Bitbucket repositories, first, enter the URL of your Bitbucket repository. You can find the URL by going to your Bitbucket account, selecting the repository, and copying the clone link. Next, paste the URL into the source path/URL field in SourceTree. In the destination path field, choose where you would like to save the local copy of the repository on your computer. You can also give your local repository a nickname under the name field if desired. Now, make sure you are logged into your Bitbucket account through SourceTree. If you are not logged in, click on Tools in the top menu, then select Options. Click Add to create a new authentication for your Bitbucket account. Choose Bitbucket from the Service drop-down menu. Enter your Bitbucket username and password, or use an app password if you've enabled two-factor authentication. After entering your credentials, click OK to save. Return to the cloning window with your repository URL. Now, click the Clone button to start cloning the repository to your local machine. Once the cloning process is complete, you will see your repository listed in the SourceTree main window. You can now open your repository and start working with it. To ensure everything is set up correctly, try making a small change in your repository files. After making changes, return to SourceTree to commit your changes. Click on the Commit button in the top left to open the Commit window. Add a commit message describing your changes. Then, click Commit to save your changes locally. Finally, push your changes to Bitbucket by clicking the Push button on the top toolbar. Select the branch you want to push changes to, then click Push again to confirm. You have now successfully connected your Bitbucket repository to SourceTree on Windows. Congratulations on completing your first setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step